here to talk about Artful Truth, and we're talking about tobacco prevention, and that's what Artful Truth is all about.
The Artful Truth program is really a neat program to help our students understand more about the dangers of smoking and about the commercialization of tobacco, and we really appreciate the efforts that have been made and the strides that have been taken to really educate our students.
Hello, my name is Marsha Rockhill, and I'm the music and art teacher at St. Andrew's School. I'm also an instructor for the Artful Truth Project, which is part of the Tobacco Prevention Program sponsored by the Florida Department of Health in Bay County. In 1998, the Florida Tobacco Pilot Program and the Wilsonian Florida International University created the Artful Truth Project to reduce tobacco industry influences. Between 1999 and 2001, Artful Truth grants were given to 185 public schools, after-school programs, and museums throughout the state.
Hi, I'm Dr. Michelle Creel, and I am the visual art teacher at Oakland Terrace Elementary School. I was one of the first recipients of the Artful Truth Grant in 1999 and 2001. With the grant money, we were able to do a variety of projects, from comic strips that we sent to the News Herald, done by the kids with anti-tobacco messages, to a confiscated car that we decorated and made imagery on that was against tobacco for the kids.
42% of the students who were active tobacco users at the beginning of the project had quit using tobacco after the Artful Truth Project. Less than 1% of the students took up smoking during the course of the project.
As an art teacher, I felt like this program was very valuable, but sadly in 2002, it was cut.
In 2006, the funding for tobacco prevention programs was restored. In the summer of 2009, the Florida Department of Health in Bay County revived the Artful Truth Project at Girls Incorporated of Bay County. My name is Lauren Kaufman. I had the opportunity to work with Dr. Creel that summer of 2009. At that time, I was a rising sophomore in the Students Working Against Tobacco program, also known as SWAT. Under her direction, SWAT members worked with 240 girls at Girls Inc. to create artwork using several different mediums, including paintings, quilts, and mosaics. Living in a coastal community, I decided to make a mosaic depicting how tobacco products harm our oceans.
My name is Janessa Gant, and during the 2009 Artful Truth Project, I was a rising senior in SWAT. For my mosaic, I decided to use the theme, The House of Sweet Deception. Here, I wanted to depict the idea of tobacco companies using bright colors and candy flavoring to attract youth to tobacco addiction. So here you see Hansel and Gretel moving towards the house where inside addiction is waiting for them. To this day, both Lauren and I are involved with the Artful Truth Project as college interns.
Since that time, over 750 youth in Bay County have created artwork for the Artful Truth Project. Over 175,000 people have seen their artwork and learned from their message at sites such as galleries, conferences, local government buildings, and the Florida State Capitol.
In 2014, the Florida Department of Health in Bay County Tobacco Prevention Program welcomed new artists from Oakland Terrace Elementary and St. Andrew's School to the Artful Truth exhibit at the Science and Discovery Center of Northwest Florida. Busing and admission to the exhibit was provided by the Florida Department of Health in Bay County Tobacco Prevention Grant. Over a 4-week period, more than 1,000 fifth-grade students from 75 classrooms in Bay District schools participated in educational tours of the Artful Truth exhibit. During the tours, Tobacco Prevention Program staff spoke about the dangers of tobacco use for people and the environment, the tobacco industry's deceptive marketing tactics, and misconceptions about the e-cigarette.
I wanted to be like a cartoon character thing, and then so the cigarette is going to be running away from the heart because this is my healthy heart, and I do not want the cigarette getting into the heart and messing my heart up. So that's why the heart is running away from the cigarette, because the cigarette can damage your heart.
Here is Jack the rabbit. As you right here, scars, amputated, all over the place. When he first started, it was 1983. When he heard about carrot flavor smoking, he got so addicted to it, he did 5 times a day, 7 days a week.
Each participant had the opportunity to develop critical thinking skills that make them less vulnerable to the tobacco company's deceptive marketing practices. By increasing students' abilities to interpret visual culture, they are less susceptible to manipulation by persuasive visual images, tobacco advertisements chief among them. According to the Florida Youth Tobacco Survey, the average initiation age for tobacco use in Bay County is 11 years of age.
Big Tobacco's advertising tactics are so sly.
My name is Doug Kent. I'm the health officer for the county at the Florida Department of Health of Bay County. And we really thank you because you do the work. We thank the kids for what a great job they have done these several years in Artful Truth. But just to let you know that the Tobacco Prevention Program is one of the greatest programs in the state of Florida.
The Florida Department of Health Tobacco Prevention Program values the support of our administrators and educators. By working together on the Artful Truth Project, we can prevent the initiation of tobacco at such an early age.